This short clip is from my live trading room. You can engage directly with my fabulous team and me at LaDucTrading.com for all our research and trades. Or for just my daily live streams, you can access via YouTube memberships. All links are in the description. The fact is we had a rare occurrence in the silver market. Now, this is what it turned out to be, peak to trough. Okay, not where it closed, but peak to trough in that 2-day event. So, yeah, it's rare. It's really, really rare. And that's why I had this nervous laugh incessantly on Thursday morning and warned into Thursday morning. I had my paperwork together. I am really, really, really stocking a silver top, and I think it's today. So it was today. Happened to, lucky or good, catch that Thursday into Friday. This is from the pre-market on Thursday, and then you get some timestamps in here of this event where I'm going, you think I'm joking, but I think we've got 65 potential flash crash level in this, remember my silver gold geometric mean ratio. Anyway, it got down to 69.12. So not quite 65, but I still think we could print it. Doesn't matter. The fact is we had a flash crash, right? So that was a crazy 2 days and biggest silver correction in history. Gold had a 16% drawdown. I'm not quite sure if that was the biggest one or not. Iran escalation is increasing into next weekend, and I know a lot of folks are getting sucked into that worry. It would be another reason why people are excited about gold and silver, which is why I bring it up. So I don't think gold and silver are going to spike as much as you think on a Iran escalation, especially if we cannot kind of focus and follow through. So there's just too much in that I cannot price in. Will escalation occur? How long will it last? Is it all theater? And Warsh is also helping the dollar boost. He's helping it, but he's not the reason why gold and silver sold off. He's just not. I already gave you some gap fill for the gold continuous contract right down here into that mid-January. Critical minerals, classified silver, and silver went hog wild, and gold, it's still the best reserve asset in the world, over dollars, over euros. But my point is this geometric mean that I freaked out about Thursday morning where I'm like, I've never seen this before. This is scary. It did revert back down, and we've got CTAs that definitely puked their gold long. I'm looking for this to continue lower, which would put more volatility still into the precious metal complex. And I think it's going to be a while before it calms down. I also want to highlight this gold volatility chart that I showed you. This is the before and this is the after. Not much reversion, right? Reversion to the mean. Anyway, I think we got to have a little bit more choppiness in this space before we get a clear, defined move higher, even if Iran is in the crosshairs, so to speak, of Trump's aggression, likely also in retaliation. He just wants a distraction for Epstein. So we got all kinds of reasons why that's going to, go on. Gold is still suffering a little bit and has a lot of work to do to absorb this huge expansion candle. And then you can see gold has filled, which was my baseline bet. Don't get too excited, right? This is like a huge expansion bar. So fundamentals are one thing. Macro tailwinds are another. But investor sentiment and appetite is important when you have a huge expansion bar, up or down. And this one was just too big to ignore. That's why I had this gap fill. Gold has come all the way back down into that 44 area. It bounced right back up. This is where I'm talking about perfect. That's just like perfect. Overshot right down here. It's likely going to have to settle here before it can move higher again. All right. And silver did its advance into whatever, blue skies, not even, came on down, and it's digesting in this 81 handle. It did have a little support here at 66.50. We'll see how it does in the coming days. Here's my ratio. It was 70% above. Anyway, it's now come back inside. So that's exhaustion. That's going to take a while before that can settle. I really think so. This is called weakness. Investor sentiment does not turn around on a dime. They follow the trend. If the trend is up aggressively, they pile in. If all of a sudden the rug gets pulled, they go, what happened? Let's go find the next FOMO. So where's the next FOMO? Dare I hint at volatility? But if we cannot have metals advance, and we don't have value advance, and we don't have tech advance, where are they going to go? Bitcoin? Buy the bottom in Bitcoin? No, they're going to go to volatility. They're going to sell stuff.
Join Club today to engage with Samantha and her team of 10 experts. Scan this QR code or click the link in the description. Subscribe to LaDuc Trading YouTube channel for more live trading room recap videos and other content.